Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to install OpenIV Fix for GTA 5 Enhanced. Alright, let's begin. First, open your browser and go to this link right here, then download this file right here. After the download is complete, go to your Downloads folder and extract the zip file. Inside the extracted folder, you will see a file named OpenIVFix.bat. Before running it, make sure OpenIV is completely closed. Now, double-click the BAT file to run it. Press any key to continue, and then locate your GTA 5 Enhanced installation folder. Once selected, the installation will start and you will see a success message. After that, open OpenIV again, select GTA V Windows and click Continue. Now open Browser again and go to this link right here. Download OpenRPF, extract it, and copy the openrpf.asi file into your GTA 5 Enhanced folder. Now OpenIV is fully working and ready for modding. So, that's basically how you can install OpenIV Fix for GTA 5 Enhanced. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks!